Chapter 11. Means of Communication. The act of sending and receiving messages, news, or information from one person to another is called communication. The means used to communicate messages, news, or information are called means of communication. There are a number of ways by which communication can take place. There are two types of communication. 1. Individual communication, mass communication. Individual communication. People communicate in many ways, including talking, writing, using telephone, and by sending a telegram. This type of communication is called individual or personal communication. Without personal communication, parents would not know what their children need. Teachers could not help their children to learn. People could not share knowledge. Letters. Letters are the most popular means of individual communication. We can send our letters or messages through post. To write a letter or message, we can use a postcard or an inland letter. We write our message on a piece of paper and put it into an envelope. Then we put down the address at which we want our letter to reach. The letter is then dropped into a letter box. A postman collects these letters and takes them to the post office. The letters are then sorted and sent to their different destinations. They can be sent by road, rail, air, or sea. Some letters reach their destination on the same day. Others can take a day or two. It can take some more time if the destination is far away. Urgent letters can be sent by courier or through speed post. Fact to know. For sending our message to other countries, we use an aerogram. We can purchase it from the post office. Telegram. If we want to send an urgent message to reach someone very quickly, we can send it by telegram. It can reach anywhere in the world in a few hours. Telephone, mobile, and fax machine. The telephone, mobile, and fax machine are fastest means of communication. If we want to send our message immediately, we can use a telephone. On the telephone, we can talk to the people to give and receive messages at the same time. Through telephone, we can talk to other people living in other countries also. Nowadays, cell phones are very common. We can carry them with us wherever we go. The cell phone enables us to talk even when we are traveling. A facsimile, that is fax machine, connected to a telephone line can be used to send written or printed messages instantly. Computers. Computers are the largest means of sending and receiving messages. A computer can be connected with another one anywhere in the world using a clever gadget just along the telephone line. This network is called Internet. With the help of Internet, we can send and receive messages on email, electronic mail. This is one of the fastest ways to communicate. Mass communication. Another important type of communication happens when messages are sent to a large audience. This type of communication is called mass communication. News of election results, earthquakes, or other important events can spread to huge number of people in minutes through mass communication. Books are one of the oldest methods of mass communication, and television is one of the newest. Newspapers and magazines. Some messages and information are sent to a large number of people at the same time. For doing so, we use magazines and newspapers. They reach the people in different parts of the country in just one day. They give detailed news of events taking place in the country as well as in the world. Radio and television. The messages reach the people immediately if they are broadcast through radio. The radio is an audio medium. The TV is an audio-visual medium. We get news and many other programs through radio and TV. Even an illiterate person who cannot read and write can take advantage of gathering knowledge through radio and TV. Programs on radio and television are transmitted through satellites. Satellites have made communication faster. The live telecast of important events and weather forecasts are broadcast with the help of satellites. Now you know the act of sending and receiving messages, news, or information from one person to another is called communication. Letters, telephones, telegrams, computers, and couriers are means of individual or personal communication. Televisions, radios, newspapers, magazines, and books are means of mass communication. Keywords: telephone, an instrument that converts sound into a form that can be transmitted to other locations. Broadcast, to make known over a wide area. Fax, a method of transmitting images or printed matters by electronic means.